So hello guys, kagagaling ko lang ng duty and meron pala activities si Jerome sa school nila ngayon na spelling bee contest. Kailangan namin magmadali para makaabot doon sa kanilang program. So tara guys, supportahan natin yung mga anay ko.
So parents, thank you for being patient. It's a little longer than the lower schools.
We're late.
So awarding na pala yung aming nabutan.
In second place, from P5 with a purpose, J. Ron Bernays. And in first place, Mr. Jaden Smith.
Sa murang edad, we are very vulnerable when it comes to our emotions. We are very honest and sincere sa kung anong nararamdaman natin. Lalong-lalo na when it comes to pain from failure. At sa sitwasyong ganito, support, comfort, and assurance ang kailangan nila.
Kuya.
And our winner for the P6 spelling bee, Miss Alexis.
Kuya, are you okay? Congrats! Yeah, let's see.
Okay, boys and girls, thank
Okay,
you.
look right. It's alright. See? You finished second place. That's not bad. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright, Kuya. Don't be sad. It's okay. We're gonna get next time. Okay? So, hindi kami umabot sa actual na contest nila. Ang nabuto namin is the awarding na. Second place siya. But, you can see, he's very upset. And gusto niya kasi manalo talaga kasi. Yun, normal lang siguro. Normal lang naman na we want to win. Because gusto ni Jerome na to impress his parents. Ganun. Yun, upset siya. But, as a parent, what we're gonna do later, kasi bumalik sila sa class nila and tapos na yung program, so babalik kami ulit mamaya pasunduin siya. Kahit sakad, we have to appreciate and kailangan i-reward pa rin natin sila, no? So para mawala sa isip nila yung ganong pag-iisip na kailangan talaga first. So whatever yung kanilang makuha or whatever yung ma-achieve nila, we have to appreciate it and reward them. Para sa susunod, they will try their best nang walang pressure. Importante guys, walang pressure. So, uwi muna kami and balik kami mamaya para i-treat natin siya. So, we have a winner, oh. So, you're gonna treat of the year.
So parents, focus on your kids even on the smallest details ng buhay nila. Tandaan ninyo, kung ano man sila sa pagtanda nila, isa reflection kung paano nyo sila pinalaki. At kung masaya sila, mas masaya ako.